Solve the right triangle for all missing sides and angles to the nearest tenth, given that A is 25 and B is 31 degrees. All right, so we have this diagram here on number 4, and we know that the lowercase a, which means side A, is 25 units, and we know that angle B here is 31 degrees. First thing we need to check is, do we have an x-axis on this right triangle? We do. Do we have a y-axis? We do. Is the angle on the x? It is, so perfect. To finish solving, we could really quickly find out angle A. Remember, every triangle has 180 degrees. That's 90 degrees here. That's 31 degrees. You add those together, we get 121. This will be 180 minus 121. 180 minus 121 should give me my angle A, which is 59 degrees. That's angle A. So now I know 59 degrees goes there. And to find these two sides, I can just do some trig. I've been given the x value. If I wanted to find the y, I'll use tangent, because psi y cos x, tangent is y over x. And I need to think through, if I'm looking for my y value, which is b, I want that on top. So that's perfect. I don't have to use cotangent, I can use tangent. So tangent of the angle on the x-axis, which is 31, will equal y, which in this case is the letter b, over my x, which is 25. My one step is to multiply by 25. We're going to type this in the calculator and see what we come up with. So 25 tangent, 25 times tangent of 39 degrees, was it? Let me go back. 31 degrees. Don't forget to hit the degree symbol. Should give me my value of 15.02. So B is 15.02. That is this side here. And it says round to the nearest tenth, which means my answer would then just become 15. Finally, to find the C, you could do Pythagorean theorem, or we could use another trig. I'll do another trig because that's the newer stuff. And so they gave me the x. If I'm looking for the h, I use x and h, psi y cos x, tangent is y over x. Well, h is always silent, so we say cos x. I'll use cosine. But if cosine is x over h, I want my h on top. So instead of actually using cosine, I'll use its reciprocal. Well, cosy gets what? Sexy. So I'm going to use secant of 31 degrees will equal h, which they call c. Let me change that to a c, over my x, which is 25. I have the same one step. I multiply by 25, and that should give me my answer. So I'll go to my calculator. And this time, instead of typing in tangent, I'm going to do secant instead. Everything else is the same. So I'm just going to go up twice to highlight it. When I press enter, it'll copy it. And I'm going to backspace the tan and type in SEC. And now this should solve it. The hypotenuse is 29.17. 29.17, which they say round all to the nearest tenth. So we could say that this actually equals 29.2. And that's how you'd solve the triangle. And now have all sides and all angles.